touch my hair. When it's the
Hey you guys, so it's J Rose. We're back at it again with another video. Before I start this video, I would like to thank SM Beauty LLC for sending me these products to review. They sent me the Premium CBD 24 Gold Edge Grow. It regrows, strengthens, and repairs your edges. This scent is the peach scent, and this is the packaging it comes in. They also sent me the strawberry scent as well as the pineapple scent. And they also sent me this edge scarf to lay down my edges. And Lord no, I need me an edge scarf because I used to just use my regular scarf. So thank you for this. Oh, one more thing I almost forgot. They also sent me this Premium CBD 3x Triple Strength Super Power Miracle Grow. It's for all hair types and it helps regrow, strengthen, and repair your hair. It says touch and feel the miracle. And this is how that looks. And with this, you're supposed to apply it to the areas that you know you're losing a little hair. Like I would apply mine kind of to my edges because I used to always wear buns and my edges are starting to thin out and that's not cute. Okay. I have my Handy Dandy spray bottle. I also have my African Pride Miracle Leave-In Cream, which I love to use. The first thing that I'm going to do is spray my hair just so it can get some sort of moisture to it. Alright, so after I put the water and the leave-in cream on, I'm going to brush my hair up. Just to smooth it out. Then I get my little stocking twisty. I'm going to start from the bottom. Bring it around my ear like this. Push all my hair up so it won't get twisted. Then I'm going to tie it in a knot. Push up. Then tie this. Like that. And this is gonna be my bun. Alright, so now I have a bun in the puff. Why I keep saying bun? First thing that I'm going to do is put this Miracle Grow Triple Strength Super Powder around the perimeter of my hair, like so over here, the back. So yeah, let's get to that. It kind of smells like perm. Or peppermint. It kind of smells like wild growth oil. I don't know why I said perm, y'all. So I'm put a little bit. It looks like honey. I'm put that on the sides of my hair. And it's kind of thick, which I had no problem with. Put it over here. Put it at the back. And with this, you're supposed to shake well, apply evenly throughout entire scalp or targeted hair loss areas. Rub in with fingertips or comb through. Gradually increase amount applied and frequency depending on results. Best to apply in the morning and evening. Apply 3 to 5 times per week. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease, okay? And you got a nozzle to twist it open, twist it closed. So next thing I'm going to do my edges. I'm so excited to try this edge control because all edge controls do not work for me. My favorite right now is the 24-hour edge tamer and the edge booster because it's thick, and when it's hot, I can go outside and I can come back home and my edge is still gonna be laid down. So I'm honest, I'm an honest reviewer, so I'm gonna be 100% honest on if this is a go or a no, okay? This smells good. You can smell it before even opening it. It smells like strawberry Trident gum. Yeah. Oh wow. I love the way it smells. A+ on the smell, okay? Girl, this smells good. This really does smell good. That's crazy. Not saying that I expected it not to smell good, but I wasn't expecting it to smell like this either. This is how it looks. It has some sort of gold in it. In my opinion, it looks golden and it has some sort of sparkle. I like the way it looks. So yeah. This is the Touchdown Premium CBD and 24K Gold Edge Grow. It's a 2-in-1. You can lay your edges and grow them out. First thing that I'm going to do is get my edge, push this back, get my edge brush, and just going to pull out where I feel like my edge is. I'm going to get this edge grow and put it right here, just so it can look real slick. And this is really thick. Not too thick, but it's thick enough. It kind of reminds me of honey. This is how it look on my fingers. So then I'm gonna get my edge brush and just comb that back. Ooh. Ooh, it's the slickness for me. Oh, it's really slick. Do y'all see that? Okay. But this might actually be my go-to. Alright, so that's that. These are how my edges are looking. It's slick down alright. It's real slick. So for the slickness, 10 out of 10. For the smell, A+. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this little edge scarf that they sent me. It's cute, little cheetah, pink cheetah. Okay. This is good. I need a real silk scarf. Something like that. I'm just gonna wrap it around. So I'm gonna come back probably in 10 minutes. I'm gonna clean up this little mess over here, and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright, you guys. So it's been about 5 minutes. I usually let it sit longer, but I gotta get ready for my class, okay? So I'm going to untie this. These are how my edges are looking. They're laid down. We don't hide this, but they're laid. They're soft. This is my bun. Well, puff. Keep saying bun because I always wear bun. It's real moisturized. I put the growth oil at the portion of my hair. So hopefully it works. Hopefully it makes my hair thicker. You can find these products at your local beauty supply store. I will advise y'all to get some of the CBD 24K Gold Edge Growth and the Miracle Growth Oil for your hair, because as you can see, my edges are laid. Okay. Yeah, don't play with her. I will probably name my scarf long. I usually name my scarf before I leave the house, and then I wear it when I go to my I wear it in my car while driving to my destination. And then when I take it off, my edges are laid. I only let it lay for 5 minutes due to me having to get ready for a class, but they're laid, okay? I can move them. They ain't going nowhere. Okay? And if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to J Marosa TV. And yeah, I'll see y'all with another video. Thank you again to SM Beauty LLC for sending me these products. I really, truly do appreciate you guys for, supporting a small YouTuber, okay? This is my first brand deal that I have ever done, so I'll never forget this moment. Thank y'all, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.